Hello, my name is Ade and welcome to a tutorial for RPG All-in-One. Today we're going to be covering how to install the plugin itself. So the first thing you're going to want to do is import the plugin itself. So I've already gone ahead and done that. And once you're in, you'll notice there's a lot of errors in the console. So we're going to fix that issue first. So what you want to do is there's a link in the description below and that will take you to a zip file which has the DLL plugins that you'll need. Before you do that, you need to create a folder inside of RPGAIO and just call it plugins. It's just a special folder that Unity uses that you need to put the two DLL files into. Open the link, so I have it here, and that should just download for you. Here we go. And if you get some error from Chrome, it's absolutely fine. So you want to extract that, and inside you'll find two DLL files. Just want to copy those, and if you go back to Unity and you open this folder in Explorer, just double checking that it is the plugins folder there. You can just paste these files here, and once you go back to Unity, it will compile the scripts again. Then it should say that RPG Maker has compiled the scripts. Okay, so we can clear the console now, that's fine. So we should now be able to open up the main window and everything should be working fine. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we have a nice handy toolbar here which might come in useful. We could do things like open the main window, save data, reload data, etc. So we can add that somewhere into our scene. We can add it here or wherever you want really. I do quite like it up on top, so if I do some moving around we can get a decent layout going on there. Right, so that's the toolbar sorted. So next thing we can do is just change a few settings. So if you go to main preferences, we have a couple of options here. We can enable autosave to autosave our game's data. We can back up our game data every time we save it, and we can decide whether we want one backup a day or multiple backups. So obviously if you have more than one backup a day, you may find that your game data folder, which is actually located here, resources game data, you may find you have multiple backup files. So you may just want to keep one backup a day. And what we can do is we can enable autosave in seconds. So we're going to say every 6 minutes we can save, and that should be fine. And we could just do a save data here just in case. And that's the autosave and backup features sorted. So there's one more thing you need to do. This is regarding the combat. So if you go to RPG All-in-One node editors, you want to go to the combat node editor, and all you want to do here is just link the damage to be dealt to be successful. Later on you can customize this further to have different damage calculations and missed attacks and evaded attacks based on your own predefined nodes that you can set up through here. But for now we just want to make sure that any damage that should be dealt is a successful attack. So we're just going to link these two. If you want to unlink something, just right click the little circle here, but we're going to just keep them linked and make sure we click save down here. And once that is done, we are finished with the initialization and setup process for RPG All-in-One. So if you'd like more information on RPGAIO, check out the tutorials and other videos in the playlist linked below in the description. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.